Hey everyone! Let's chat about the forehead resistance exercise. A great way to give your forehead some love and lessen those horizontal lines. It's all about working the frontalis muscle, right in your forehead. This muscle is super important for showing our emotions, so keeping it toned is key for a youthful look. Here's how you do it. Get comfy. Either sit or stand. Just make sure your back's straight and your face is relaxed. Apply your favorite plant oil or butter. Add some resistance. Put your fingers across your forehead. Press down gently to create a bit of resistance. Raise those brows. Try to lift your eyebrows up against the pressure of your fingers. Find the right pressure. You want enough pressure to feel a challenge, but not so much that it's uncomfortable. Hold it. Keep those brows lifted for about 5 seconds. Remember to breathe normally. Relax. Then, let your eyebrows and forehead relax back down. Take a deep breath and chill your whole face out. Repeat. Do this 10 times. Make it a habit. Try to fit this into your daily face workout routine. If you keep up with this exercise, along with some face yoga, massages, and maybe some nice oils and butters for your skin, you'll be on your way to a smoother and more youthful looking forehead. Give it a try and see how it goes. A question. Which areas of your face are you looking to improve? Please let me know down below in comments, and I will make a video addressing it. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was informative for you. Please subscribe.